Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I'll be doing all the crafting, and today we're going to do just a quick pot for a plant because I broke the ceramic pot that it was in. So I'm just replacing it with the Dollar Tree pot holder, but of course we're going to dress it up a little bit. So that's what we're going to do today. I sure hope that you would go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. Now when you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell so that you know when I come out with a new video. And then also leave a comment down below. Now we've got all the instructions, we've got all the important stuff. Let's go ahead and go take a look. So we will need some spray paint, the plastic pots from Dollar Tree, and whatever plant you're using, as well as rocks. I'm using this chalked, Rust-Oleum's chalked spray paint. It works really nice, 2 coats and you'll be good. I do use the Waverly chalk paint as well, just as a side note. So I had in this right here, I had already spray painted that. Figured y'all didn't need to see that because I don't know how to video that really outside in the wind. Yeah, that doesn't work out. So I did spray paint it, but I was kind of heavy-handed with my spray paint, so it was runny and such. So I'm just going back with the chalk paint and just going to cover 1 coat. I'm going to cover up the rest of the pot like that. And then I still use the hair dryer to dry everything that I paint. So that's what I'm doing here, is just drying off that paint so that I can move on. And I am going to do the top lip on the inside of that pot because you will see that on the plant. So I'm going to go ahead and just about 1 inch or so down, I'm going to go ahead and paint that. And as you can see, I did lightly spray paint the inside as well. So once we've got it all spray painted, I'm just going to take the plant. This is the plant. It came directly out of a ceramic pot that I broke. So literally it fits in almost perfectly. So I'm good with that. So when I make sure that it fits properly, normally I probably would have cut the styrofoam or something if it wouldn't have fit well, but it fits fine. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm just going to use the Dollar Tree stones to fill in the spots where you can see the styrofoam. And this is super easy, literally just taking some of the smaller rocks and filling them into the empty holes. Easiest craft ever in life. This isn't really a craft though, is it? Honestly, it's not a craft. We're just redoing a pot. That's all we're doing. And there it is. It was in my bathroom before, so it made it right back to the bathroom. And it's very basic. You probably should add a ribbon or something, make it decorative, whatever. I like to keep everything very simple and it kind of just blends in and everything is very seamless. That's the way I like it. Thanks so much for stopping by. That's it for today. Literally that's it. I do hope that you would leave a comment down below. Go ahead and subscribe and press the bell and give the video a big thumbs up. Always do remember that appreciate today because tomorrow is never promised.